This was the only room in our house letting it down, but now it looks like a high-end hotel room. This is what it looked like before, just a basic spare room that didn't really match the rest of the house. So I stripped it right back and started again. This was the last time that my wife saw the room, and she hadn't seen any of it again until it was finished. From that point, I started from scratch. I built a full wardrobe, redid the feature wall, added space-saving storage to the corner, put in a new radiator, fitted new flooring and skirtings, then made the light and built the bed and headboard to finish it off.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Oh, it looks so good. That's so cool. Oh, it looks amazing.
Now it's all finished, it feels like a completely different room. It's actually mad looking back at the old footage of just how far this room has come. The bed is clearly the showstopper, and the headboard really does stand out. The lighting makes a massive difference in here, with the new light being much brighter and warmer. The underglow of the bed and the accent lighting on the mirror really tying everything together well. I've done full videos on each part if you want to see exactly how it came together. The bed is designed to look like it's floating, with built-in power, shelves and motion-sensored lighting underneath. The live edge headboard, made from a slab of chestnut, really gives it a unique and premium feel. This feature wall adds a modern touch and works well with a more classic looking wardrobe with the shaker doors and the gold handles. With the walls being so dark, I wanted a lighter floor to build the contrast and work alongside the other wooden elements in the room. The skirtings matching the walls keep them understated. This corner is completely different. No more having a bedside table plonked in the corner. We now have bespoke shelving and the radiator on the wall here, allowing more space alongside the bed. The light is actually really simple, but it gives so much more depth and warmth to the room, especially with 3 bulbs now instead of 1. I'm so happy with how this project turned out. I knew what I wanted in my head, and thankfully it's turned out exactly how I wanted. I'm just your average DIYer working on my first house, but this is what you can do with a lot of hard work and a little bit of planning. If you want to see how this all came together, the full series is in the playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.